Reject. Turn down. To refuse an offer, request, invitation, or opportunity. He turned down the scholarship offer. She turned down the chance to work abroad. Accept. Go along with. To agree with someone's idea, plan, or decision. I went along with my friend's suggestion. They went along with the new rules. Begin. Kick off. To start an event, meeting, project, or activity. The festival kicked off with a dance performance. Let's kick off today's lesson. Finish. Wrap up. To complete or finish something. We wrapped up the project successfully. She wrapped up her speech in 5 minutes. Start a journey. That off. Begin a journey or trip. They set off for Islamabad before sunrise. We set off on our vacation last night. Delay. Put off. To postpone something until a later time. They put off the exam due to bad weather. Don't put off important work. Cancel. Call off. To cancel an event, meeting, or activity. The organizers called off the concert. The football match was called off because of rain. Meet unexpectedly. Run into. To meet someone by chance. I ran into my old teacher yesterday. She ran into her neighbor at the supermarket. Find by chance. Stumble upon. To discover something unexpectedly. I stumbled upon a useful website. She stumbled upon an old diary. Invent. Make up. To invent a story, excuse, or explanation. He made up a funny story. She made up an excuse for being late. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more Only English vocabulary.